You gotta start saving your end pieces of bread to make gluten-free croutons. For sure, yogurt. I always feel like a little bad. I don't know. I always feel weird saving like one end at a time. It's like I should turn this into croutons, or I should get rid of it. And then, like, I don't know. I have a hard time accumulating stuff like that. Like, I'm not very good at saving scraps for stock, stuff like that. Red Hill's good. Yeah, Golden Egg. Ziggy, set a timer for 8 minutes. Bread. All right, let's make some lemonade, I think. When you have spare bread, you just have buttery toast. Oh, nice, Reno. I know, bread is life. Next to rice. Okay, here's a question. If you had to choose rice or bread for the rest of your life, which one? Which one do you choose? I know it is tough. Rice, I would probably choose rice, but it's really hard. Really hard. Bread for you, Blady. Bread yogurt. I feel like I couldn't give up Asian food. And you can't really eat Asian food with bread. Oh, it's so good. Using an orange LaCroix too. So it's got a little bit of an orangey twist. Is rice flour not included? I don't know what you mean, Reno. Indian breads count as bread. And no, you can't make bread out of rice. Yes, you can, but not in this hypothetical. I've never had rice flour. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, flour, like F-L-O-U-R. I think it's